Question 21. Probability of a prime number on a normal dice is 0.5. Probability of rolling a composite number on a normal dice is 1/3. Why don't these probabilities add up to a whole one? Well, first of all, we need to write down the numbers on the dice. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the prime numbers off the dice are basically the 2, the 3, and the 5. They are the prime numbers, and that's why this is a probability of 0.5, because 2, 3, and 5, that's 3 of the numbers out of 6. 3 out of 6 is a half, and a half is 0.5. A composite number is a number, remember, a prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. A composite number has more than 2 factors. So the composite numbers on here are basically, so let's just write this, composite are basically 4 and 6. 4 is composite because you can do 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. 6 is composite because you can do 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So as you can see, those two numbers have more than 2 factors, which is why they're composite. So chance of rolling a composite number is 2 of the numbers out of 6, and that simplifies to 1/3. Why does this not add up to a whole one? Well, you will notice so that the only number we have not mentioned, we'll circle it in green, is the number 1. 1 is not a prime number because it doesn't have exactly 2 factors, 2 different factors, and 1 is not a composite number because it doesn't have more than 2 different factors. 1 only has 1 factor. It is 1 times 1, but that's the same number twice because it's so the only number that divides into 1 is 1. Prime numbers have to have exactly 2 factors, and composite numbers have to have more than 2 factors. So that's your answer. The reason why the probabilities don't add up to a whole one is because it doesn't include the number 1 itself. The number 1 itself is not prime, and this is not composite.